and only pushes me aside if I want. But sometimes